If you've ever had to review bank statements manually, you know how easy it is to miss something. Balances don't always line up, transactions can be incomplete, and even small inconsistencies can create real problems. Most people rely on spreadsheets or quick visual checks. But that's not verification, that's guesswork. And if you're working with financial documents professionally, guessing isn't good enough. Here's how to actually verify a bank statement. Step by step. Start by uploading one or more bank statement PDFs. There's no need for bank logins, credentials, or scraping. Just upload the original files and the system handles the rest. Once uploaded, the statements are processed and analyzed automatically. Every transaction is extracted, and every balance is checked using deterministic rules. No assumptions, no interpretation, just mechanical verification. Now here's where the real value shows up. You get a full audit summary of the statement, total transactions, credits and debits, net change, and most importantly, verification results. Running balance continuity, pass. Closing balance reconciliation, pass. Statement period coverage, pass. This means the math checks out completely. If there are issues, they're flagged clearly. Things like missing periods, gaps or overlaps, or inconsistencies in balances. Even complex scenarios like multiple account sections or internal transfers are detected automatically and explained. Once complete, you can download everything. A professional audit report in PDF format, a clean transaction export as CSV, and structured data in JSON format. These aren't just exports, they're documentation you can actually use. This isn't about analyzing behavior or making assumptions. It's about verifying that the numbers are consistent, complete, and defensible. Instead of hoping your bank statements are accurate, you can prove it. Try it for free at bankstatementaudit.com and verify your statements with confidence.